Hey, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I decided to use some water decals, as well as some chameleon chrome pigment, and also some little chain detail on the base of the chrome nails. So I started off with Madam Glam's Soak Off Gel Polish in the shade Perfect Black, as well as their white shade, Perfect White. So just for a nice base for my nail arts, and I usually do black under chrome so that it makes them pop more, and that's just the standard for application of chrome. So I applied the black on my pinky and my pointer finger, and then the white on my middle two fingers as well as my thumb, because the white will be a base for the water decal. So this is the third coat of color. I just cleaned up as I went, and then after everything was applied, I cured it for 30 seconds. And then I'm taking BPY36, these water decals, and I placed them in some water, and then while it was soaking I applied some liquid latex around my skin to make for a bit easier of a cleanup, although it's not too bad without it. And then I pulled out the decal and slid it off the paper, and then I placed it on my nail just directly over the tacky layer of the cured gel polish, and used a silicone applicator tool just kind of push it into place and secure it, and then I used acetone to separate the decal from the edges of my skin, and then I went ahead and peeled off the latex once everything was nice and separated, and then I did the remaining cleanup just to make sure that everything was nice and smooth and it wouldn't lift. And then I did the same thing on my middle finger, just a little bit sped through because you already saw the process, you know. And then once that was done, I took some top coat and I top coated those two nails. And you really want to make sure that you get the edges covered so that it doesn't peel up and it will stay intact all week. Next, I'm taking Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Gel, and this is so I can use the chrome. So I applied it over the two black nails, and then I cured it for only 15 seconds so the application would last better and it'd be more of a chrome finish. And then before applying the chrome, I applied some liquid latex because chrome can get a little messy and I don't want to clean up more than I have to. I'm taking Midi Super Chrome in the shade Emerald, which is a green to a purple shade, and I applied that with the same silicone applicator tool, and you can see the application here. It's just sped up, so double time, but pretty simple, a nice application. I think it's got a great shine and a great finish. And then once that's all rubbed in, I removed the latex, dusted off the excess, and then I went in with another coat of No Wipe Top Gel. And then I cured that for a full 30 seconds. And then I'm taking some chain with some gummy jelly, which I applied to the base of the two chrome nails. And I'm taking some regular top gel on top of that, so I can have a nice smooth application. And also to give it another layer of top coat to protect it, because I don't love the way the No Wipe top coat wears all the time. And then I just took some tweezers to apply the chain. I just worked with it until I got it where I wanted it before curing it for 30 seconds, or actually a minute, sorry, a whole minute, because that's what the gummy jelly says to cure for. And then I removed the tacky layer, and here's what I was left with. So you can see this shift on the chrome. And I just think the watermelons were super cute, and I like the green chrome paired with them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!